coming and coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, the budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will be compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs. Welcome to Property Doctor. Today I'm super excited and we'll be producing antiseptic disinfectant, what you can use in your home to make it safe, clean, and to make it good for you and for your families. You can do it yourself. So we have the things in the lab to produce the antiseptic disinfectant. We have the phenol here. Is an aromatic organic compound, mildly acidic, so you have to be careful when you are using this. The next item we have here is chloroxinol. And this is also an antiseptic and it's a disinfectant which is used for skin disinfection, and you can also add alcohol for cleaning instruments, tables, surfaces, and all that. So we have pine oil here. The pine oil is just an essential oil and you can get it from pine trees, and it has always been used as a traditional medicine for centuries. We have Texapon. Texapon is good for, it's a cleaning agent and it's a booster, and it can be used also to boost the strength of this antiseptic disinfectant. The next thing we have here is isopropyl alcohol. When you mix this with water, it can be used as rubbing alcohol and an antiseptic. So let's get started. Remember to use your safety kit to make sure you are safe. We have scissors here. We have castor oil. The castor oil, I forgot, the castor oil is a carbolic acid and it's an antiseptic solution. So you see, this will be very strong and it's good for your home. We have water, which is also dissolving. And also, if you want to do this and sell, for those who want to go into production, you can do something like this and give it a beautiful name, sell and make money. So let's go. So you see, I had to remove all the jewelry before the production will take place. So the first thing we put in this empty bucket is the Texapon. This is Texapon. I'm going to list the items on the screen, and you see the quantities, and you follow the procedure to mix it to get the same strength. So this is the Texapon. I put the Texapon in an empty bucket. I'm using a bright or a transparent bucket so that you can see through. So when I put the Texapon, I add my phenol. You know, it's acidic. This is the phenol that I just added. So I mix it very well. This is what it looks like. You can see it's properly mixed. The next thing I'll add is my pine oil. Put it gently. You stir properly. It smells nice. So I'll now add the chloroxinol. This is also an antiseptic. So you can see the color is changing, but don't worry, we'll still get our antiseptic disinfectant. So when you mix this properly, I've mixed it very well. Then I had about 50 cl of water. This is milky. The quantities of all the materials I've added is to get 3 liters of antiseptic disinfectant. So it's very simple, you can see. It's thoroughly mixed, doesn't take time, and it's safe. And the last chemical here is the isopropyl alcohol. We're done. Just add a drop of castor oil. Just 1 drop of castor oil. And that's it. Our Dettol is ready. So let's go on a short break. When we come back, we'll test to see if this disinfectant is correctly done. You're welcome back. For you to test this and know that it is good, you have to take put some water in a bucket, which I have done here, and you take a little drop from here, that's from the antiseptic disinfectant, and put it here. If it turns milky, then you know it is good. So let's try it. You can see the color changed. It turned milky. So you can do it. It's good and it's safe. You can use it to clean the surface in your home, like your tabletops, your kitchen tops. You can use it to clean the floors, especially if you have children at home. Make sure you use it to clean the floors. You can also use it to wash their toys. You can use it to clean your doors, your windows, just to stay safe. And during this period that we have the pandemic, the coronavirus, everybody is trying to stay safe. You can use it to wash your hands when you come back from your outing. You can use it to put a little drop in your bathing water and take a bath. All these can help you stay safe. Thank you for being with us on another episode of Property Doctor. I hope you have learned something from this episode. You can leave a feedback on the comment section below, and also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at PropertyDoctorNG and on Twitter at PropertyDocNG. You can also connect with us and tag us on your videos and let us know what you feel and what you have learned from our own episode. Have a great day. God bless you.
I'm coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, the budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs.